Ladies and gentlemen, the final supermoon for this year will be seen in the sky on May 7th. So this one is called the flower moon, and it will be rising this week. So this is CBS News, May 4th, 2020. Don't miss this month's supermoon. It's the last one of the year. May's flower moon will peak early Thursday morning, but will appear full much of the week. The final supermoon of 2020 will reach its peak at 6:45 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday, giving early risers the absolute best view. According to NASA, the moon will appear full from Tuesday night until Friday morning. So, wow, this is going to be quite a view. So, there will be plenty of opportunities to catch a glimpse. All right, there's a video here, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can play this video. Hopefully, there's some good audio on here. Okay, let's see here. Come on. Not going to play.
Hi everyone, I'm James Smartwood. Welcome to the smartest debate on television. Bug flu.
Okay, no. I thought maybe there was one on the supermoon here.
Have you ever had a dream that is so real that it takes
All right, maybe this is it. There's a little commercial here. So unfortunately, I'm looking. I can't see a thing, y'all. It is so overcast here. I can't see nothing. Maybe in the next day or so, I'll be able to see it.
People staying home during this time, it may be a good time to check out and do a little bit of stargazing. And this week, you'll have some opportunity to see a few cool things in the sky. Joining us live this morning is Derek Pitts, the chief astronomer with the Franklin Institute, to tell us more about what we have this week. Good morning, Derek. Thanks for taking time to be with us this morning.
Good morning, Janelle. Thanks for having me.
All right. So we've been hearing a lot of talk about a supermoon that will be appearing tonight. Can you tell us a little bit about the science behind this and what we'll be able to see this evening?
Sure, Janelle. Obviously, people have been seeing the moon over the last couple of nights. The sky has been clear. But this evening's moon actually is what's called a supermoon, meaning that because the moon is a little bit closer to Earth, its orbit around the Earth at this particular point brings it to its closest point, not just for the month, but the closest of the close points of the year. This is the closest one of all. And so people have adopted the term supermoon because it's a little bit closer than it usually is. Now, it's not a whole lot closer. It's about 7% closer, not a whole lot, but it will appear a bit larger and a bit brighter. I'm sorry, it'll appear 7% larger and 14% brighter. And so the trick about this is, Janelle, though, how do you tell the difference between this particular moon and any other full moon? It's kind of difficult to make that measurement, but nonetheless, this is the closest moon of all for the year.
And so what is the optimal time to check it out tonight?
Well, the optimal time to check it out is as soon as it rises. And in fact, you'll get the biggest effect of what looks like a very large moon if you watch the moon as it's rising over on the eastern horizon just after sunset. So the moon comes to this position of its closest approach at about 2 o'clock this afternoon, but the moon won't be up yet. Full moon doesn't rise until the sun sets. That's how the condition works. So if you go out right after sunset, watch the moon as it's rising over in the east. If you have a good view to the east, that's when you'll get to see.
All right, so that's always neat to see. For those of us who are up early,
as large as it can see next to other objects known size on the Earth, then what happens is it looks really big.
Okay, apologies for that. There are a little bit of a technical issue, so you were lagging. I didn't quite hear what you were saying, but I just wanted to say, for those of us who get up early, pre-dawn hours, hello, there's an opportunity to see the planets as well.
Yes, there are 3 bright planets over in the east in the morning at about 5:30 in the morning. The largest one you'll see is Jupiter. To the left of Jupiter will be Saturn, the ringed planet of the solar system, and a little bit further to the left and smaller is slightly rosy colored Mars. So you can see all 3 of them in a line, and you'll be able to watch them all through the next 7 days as they sort of change positions in the sky. So good to view in the morning if you're up that early.
All right, that's always neat. And we know that the Franklin Institute is closed right now, like so many institutions are, but people can still catch up with you and learn about astronomy. Tell us a little bit about Night Skies at Home.
Yes, since we're all at home and looking for things to do, we're now doing a program, Franklin Institute, of course.
Okay, there's a lot of technical difficulties in this. So I'm just going to, forego listening to the rest of that. So that's really nice. So the moon starts Tuesday night. And if you don't get to see it Tuesday, you get an opportunity to see it from Tuesday all the way through Friday. So that's really nice. So the full moon in May is called the flower moon by some Native American tribes for the large number of flowers that bloom this month, according to the Old Farmer's Almanac. It is also sometimes referred to as the corn planting moon and milk moon, according to NASA. Okay, so this year's moon. Okay, so it corresponds with some Buddhist holiday, but I don't really care about that. The flower moon is the last in a series of 4 supermoons in quick succession this year. Others occur in February, March, and April. A supermoon happens when the moon is both full and closest to the Earth. All right, so this phenomena makes the full moon appear slightly brighter and larger than normal, according to NASA. The year's final supermoon isn't the only thing keeping you looking, and you heard him talk about there's also an alignment of planets out there that you'll be able to see in the sky, at least for the next several days. Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars are also appearing in the sky. Wow, a lot going on there. So, wow, I'm going to see if I can catch a glimpse of it over the next couple of days. But y'all, please tell me what you think. So this is the final one for 2020. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.